Another prophecy. Look at that. This is May. What is this? I think this is May 15th, 2022. No, it should be May 14th. May 14th, May 15th. Let me see. Let me see. May 14th, 2022. May 15th. No, it's 14th. 2022. May 14, 2022. Look at this. Look at this image that's getting ready to come onto the land. This is like a dragon type of thing that's going to come on the land. I think this is the characteristic of our first hurricane that's going to hit land. It's like a dragon. It's like a dragon. It's like a dragon. I should have went to Facebook Live, but I'll probably put this on YouTube. The first one gonna come on land. It's like a dragon. Thank you, Father, for this prophecy. We're actually on the 12th day of the second Hebrew calendar month, IYAR 5782. This is the prophecy of the first hurricane, the grievous whirlwind of Jeremiah 23, verse 19 and 20, Jeremiah 30, verse 23, 24, to actually bring me forth, who is the King of Israel. Disobedience is bringing forth these terrible, grievous whirlwinds. Shalom.